Okay, Fat Fam, so here is our project for today. A mess. So this should be fun. We're doing this for Anna's friend. She wants us to help her clean this out, so we said, yeah, of course, you know, we'll help out since she helps us out a lot. So we appreciate what you do for us, so time to get some work done. Yeah. It's your boy D. So are you up for the test, Anna?
Yes.
This is a lot, right?
Yeah. I think I can do it.
You think?
Yes. So we're gonna, something like this, you guys, I would repurpose. So my challenge is to make it really nice. Like, I want to make it really good looking, okay? I'm just surprised, you guys. So something like this, I would probably repurpose. Look how beautiful. Look, this is a brand called fabfitfam.
fabfitfam?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a subscription box. So we can definitely, like, use this and make it look nice or something.
fabfitfam, just like the fabfitfam.
Oh,
It's meant to be.
Yeah.
Move quickly, babe. See how fast we can get this done, fabfitfam. I got my knife on me. Yep. I got her doing the dirty work. You put that work in, babe, don't you? Hey. So are you hot yet?
Yeah.
You feel good though? Doesn't it feel good to, like, you know, get the move in and get the juices flowing?
Yeah.
Like a little workout, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, this is where we're at right now. We made a huge dent in it, but we still got all this to do. Hard work, but we getting it done. Look at her, look, check her out. She getting ready. We both sweating bullets, man. We out here in Florida. Really good workout, you know, so we just soaking it up, you know. Check her out. You hot, baby?
Yeah.
You good? It's a workout, right? Huh? Oh man, you got the ponytail up and everything now.
Hey, look at this.
Yeah, you know she mean business now. Teamwork is what? Dream team. Teamwork is dream work, you mean?
Oh, is it like that?
I don't know.
I'm not sure, but I know that together we can make this happen.
Look, we got a lot of it cleared out. Look at this, y'all.
See, these are natural cleansing wipes.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, so it's about to rain, so we gotta get all this stuff in here very quickly before the rain comes.
Yeah.
So I gotta move pretty quickly. So Anna is still finishing up the garage right now. She's just sorting things and putting things together. Yeah, you know, we just was here to help her friend out. You know, she helps us out a lot, you know, so she said she needed help with her garage. So, you know, of course we're gonna give the helping hand. You know, anybody that helps me, I feel like, you know, I'm gonna help them back in return. Ain't that right, AJ? So AJ learned a new trick. Let me see if I can get him to do it. Ready? AJ, let's show him. Ready? AJ. He don't want to do it. Do it, AJ. Usually he does the same thing. Like if I start, he'll do it. AJ. So he doesn't want to do it, but he's learning how to turn over by himself now. He's just growing so quickly, so chubby, man. He's probably the healthiest baby I've ever seen. Like, man, we're so blessed to have a healthy, you know, baby. And yeah, he's gonna grow up healthy. You know, he's probably gonna be on that basketball court or on the football field. You already know how I roll. Ain't that right, buddy? Tell him we know how we roll over here. You know how the tailors roll. Wow, this looks like a brand new garage. The fabfitfam done did it again. With Miss Anna as the leader, of course. Okay, fabfitfam, so this is it for the garage. We transformed this bad boy Still not the best, but looks better than before. All this junk that we took out of that shed. Way too much stuff. I'm going home now. So, oh, we just got done cleaning out the shed. You know what I'm saying? We put in work. You know, we always been this way for people who have been following the Fab Fit Fam. You seen that we did a car wash. You know what I'm saying? So we always down to get down and dirty. We've been using.
Yes.
We've been doing a lot of business, you know, online business. So we don't really get out and be active. So doing a physical labor like that, you know, it just feels good. You know, it's like a little workout. You know, because we're not used to doing that anymore. You know what I'm saying? We used to just sitting on the couch and working from our phones. You know what I mean? So it was good. You know, we helped a friend out. You know, she helped us out, so we really appreciate it. You know, but now we just chilling, eating Chipotle. Got little AJ on the side. You know what I'm saying? Got this beautiful thing over here, Miss Anna.
Woo!
Woo!
Spicy.
The hot sauce, right? It's
yeah.
Hot. Look, she didn't know the hot sauce was emptying, so she just poured like literally the rest of it. Everything just went in.
Alright guys, so this is it for our cleanup with me. This is the first time we share a video like this with you guys. Make sure you guys leave your suggestions down below of what you want to see us clean up, and we'll see you in our next video.